Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we're doing our Friday freebie number 41. It's quick and easy today, guys. Super simple. I mean, really, this is one of the easiest ones you can do, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, we've got this is our trifold. Now, it's not the whole page one. It's not the mini one. It's the in-betweeny one. You know, that kind of thing. You have to excuse me, I'm a little silly today, but it is what it is. Okay, and we've got our little paper dolls here and some little critters here. This one says, it's holding a sign, and it says, in the garden, because I put that on there, because yeah. Okay, then we've got our 3 tall tags to go into our trifold. So this is what I made. You can do it any which way you want. You can cut these up for journal cards. You can do whatever you want to do. It's all up to you. I did end up putting a Velcro on there. You don't have to. This paper clip will hold the whole thing, really. It'll hold the whole thing. So I made him into a paper clip because it's too cute not to, right? Okay, so we've got our tags in here. I made extras, so I've got... And actually, the first time I made them a little bit too small, so she's running away. So I've got doubles on these, but, you know, it's my prototype, we'll say, you know. So it's that. And so, yeah, got little paper dolls in here with the little sister or the little brother. It works, right? Okay. And then, you know, Velcro. You can put trim on there. I didn't at this point in time, but it's very trimmable. Put lace around it, whatever you want to put. Okay, so you get your papers printed out, and then you print on the back. Now, this is important. Before you cut it out, print on the back. This is that freebie sheet that's been going with my Friday freebies for a long time. So if you've got any of them, you probably already have that one. I hope you do, because I didn't put it in with this one, but you know, it's there. Okay, so we're going to fold this up, and I mean, it's so easy, guys. Just line it up with the top and the bottom, right? And then make sure I've got my, there's a line on there. I'll show you what I'm talking about. There's a line. I spaced a little bit so that this would be your fold on each side. So I spaced just a little bit so you'd know where to fold it. Or so I would know where to fold it. Right? So we're going to do that. And then we're going to take this one. Now decide, this could be your front or this could be your front. Whichever one you want to be your front. But no matter what you do, that's going to be your back. So, just saying. So, and then just pull it out a little bit from the fold, because you don't want it to be right up in the fold, but you want it to be close-ish, right? Make sure the top and the bottom are lined up, and then, you know, give it a good press down, right? Like so. Then you won't be, you know, getting in your own way of, you know, closing it up, right? Okay, then we're going to fold it back out, and it's just so easy, right? I mean, you know, it's easy. I like easy. I have nothing against easy. Right? I don't. Okay, so it's that easy. Then it folds in this way and it folds in that way. How easy is that? It will be even easier, I tell you, if I hadn't forgot my glue gun. I'll be right back. Okay, now I got my glue gun. So, but before we glue, let's go ahead and put some ink right along the edge of that, because it's easier to do it now than to do it later. Believe me, I've walked that road before, or I've rolled it. I've rolled that road before because, you know, wheelchair and all that. So, just saying. Okay, so now we're going to take our glue and we're going to go, I'm not going to put it on this because I may have to trim some of that off. So I'm going to put it from here, you can see where that goes to, from here down to there. Just a thin bead of glue, okay? Super simple and easy. Super simple and easy. This was fun to design. It was fun. Okay. We girls, we like to have fun. Okay. Again, we're going to put it to there. And just kind of put a thin bead of glue. Yep. Just making sure that it's folding, 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 and folding, you know. So now what I do is I get my scissors, excuse my reach, and I go back in and I just kind of give that a little trim off because there's a little hangover. Just a little bit. Just because I want it to be even. Now I'm just being, you know, me. So there you go. But yeah, I want it to be straight and flush up with that. You don't have to do this. You can leave it hanging over. When you put trim on that, yeah, won't be able to see it anyways. So I would know, you know. Now we're not going to put any glue in there. You don't need it. It's just going to hold its own self, right? So ink it, don't ink it, whatever you want to do with it. Put your, let me get those out of the way. And that out of the way, and that out of the way. Sorry about the racket. So what we're going to do is get our little thingies here and put some stuff on there. I had to redo the rabbit. Like I said, I had to work out the thing. So here's our in the garden little squirrel. I had to work out the rabbit. I had it going facing the wrong way. So I've got extras. That's okay. It's good to have extras. And see, the duck was a whole lot bigger. I had to make that smaller. It's a thing when you're working through all these things. You want them to, you know, you just want them to be what you want them to be, right? Okay, let me give this a roll just because. And so if you wanted anything beginner friendly and the easiest thing you could do, this is it. Okay, just say. All right, I think I put this one on here, so I'm gonna put it on there. It's just some cute stuff. This could be a happy mail, a little sweet gift to someone, or, you know, it could go into any, just about any journal, really. It really could. I put in the garden because, you know, we're working with garden time paper dolls, and that's about the garden, you know. Yes, I I print on the back of things that didn't work out for me. We don't waste our papers. Okay. Now, he's going here. See, I had him facing the other way, and that wouldn't work. Or it didn't work for me. I like it to be what I like it to be. Okay. Then my little duck, it's just going in the middle. It could be facing either way, I guess. Didn't matter. But yeah, I'm just going to put it right in the middle. A little duck. Get our ducks in a row, right? Well, there's only one, so it's in a row. Middle-ish, right? Like so. Now, you can put yours anywhere. I'm just doing this because, yep, just because. Okay, so this is my paperclip boy. We've got our journal cards, tags, whatever you want to call those, tags. All backed with file folder, okay? And then we put our paper dolls. We lose our voice, but we put our paper dolls in. I still have extras. I didn't have an extra. I do have an extra of him. Okay, in there. Yeah, that's the little one. This is the size you'll get because it's better size. So yeah, big brother, little brother, all that kind of thing. They both got a horse. There you go. And then fold in. I mean, or you can fold it the other way. Whatever you want to do. And then use your paper clip to put it together. See, how cute is that, right? It's super adorable, really. Now you can make any of them a paperclip, any of the insiders that I just put in there. This guy would make a really good paperclip, but he's a little big. But you could make him a paperclip. Put the paperclip on the horse part, and then, you know, it slides in that way. You can make any of them a paperclip. This one might be a little more complicated because she's really skinny. But, you know, there you go. That way, that way. And then he holds it all together, this dude. Come along here. Okay, now, super cute. And we've got 3 really pretty girls. The one's on the inside. We've got 3 really pretty girls that are just ready for a garden party, I think. Looks like it to me. Okay, there we are. Let me show you your freebies one more time. Super quick and easy today. Happy Friday freebie, right? Super fun. Oh, I love making this one. It was so fun to design. I had a few giggles here and there, but you know, it's me. That's what I do. On the website, Facebook group page, they're there. If they're not, kind of let me know because sometimes I forget. Okay, sorry. It's one of those days, guys. Super cute, super pretty, super easy, right? You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.